here. Wait, what? Put a small one over here. Valley View Mall, baby.
Back in 07, how life better than it was, and Big T just running out as a kid up those steps.
I recorded that, that's great.
I feel bad for you thinking anything.
I am. Really? What do I get then?
I'm getting cotton candy ice cream.
Really?
Only free thing I'll get.
Is it actually good?
Oh. Is it good?
Dude, they
get all
do.
them fruity areas. We got the last
Potato chips are a power play.
Yeah, and the turtles, man.
The turtles?
The turtles you ate all night.
Oh, Boo Gang.
633-8307.
Good play.
Oh, wow.
That's loud.
Snacks? So good.
That's loud. Oh my god. Big slapping. Big slapping. What'd you guys get?
Cotton candy, bro.
Cotton candy. And what's the drink though?
Oh, root beer all day.
Big T?
We got the same thing.
Same thing. I got root beer and then
Dude,
I already forgot what my oh, like cookie cappuccino. Hey, can we go in? Hey, can we go in there? Can we go in the church?
It's so like peaceful in the churches like this.
Yeah.
Cathedrals. You would be.
Bro, she smacked my shit, bro.
I know.
Ow! Hey! Ow!
We just pulled up to an antique store. About to go antique shopping. Store hopping. Wait, where's the trash? Can you throw this away?
Hey!
Hey, oh no, dude. Hey. There's no mask requirements on here. I don't think.
Are you serious?
I don't see a sign.
How's it going?
If there's another pinky ring in here, dude, I'm copping one. Hey, wait. Hey. Wait, this one is kind of hard.
This is like Chanel.
Stupid Chanel. Look at this one. This one's a chick one. I think all these are, but still, who cares? Yes, they got all these. You got so much stuff here. These are hard.
What?
Oh, hey.
Where'd you find that?
Bro, what?
There's another one. Damn.
They're only $5.
Really?
Yeah.
But they don't have the box, so that's the only issue. The pop. Oh, and they got a little fishing pole. Damn, this is crazy. You got tools on tools. That actually is dope. A little holster. Bah!
You know, just
Big strap. Oh, he's some pool balls. No cap. Where's Mosey?
right.
Oh, big man. That's crazy.
Worse than what we just heard.
Supposed to be cereal. Cereal came in there.
Fuck no. I would never.
Literally cereal. What's in there? Something's in there. Oh.
What the fuck is that?
Oh no. Smoking tobacco?
Oh, this is for.
Dude, that's
This is for leather?
I don't know.
Oh, hell no, that would kill you. That's sick.
Dude. You're a kid. Look at this. Like blueprints or something. No, it's not. U.S. government aircraft identification posters for World War II. Yeah. That is fucking crazy. Dude, no way. Isn't this like... I feel like I've seen this from somewhere.
I'd say probably for 1960s, 50s, in that era.
Nice.
But it is sterling.
That's for sure.
Yeah, I'll take it.
Oh, okay.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
just give it to the gal up there.
Yeah, I just want to see this.
Go ahead, take your time, hon. Now that I'm back.
You know what I'm talking about?
Well, I know the time very well.
That's
and I'm
looking
trying to
drip.
think. Or shop
Can you take
clothing
the
for
frog
me.
out though?
No, I kind of like it. Alright, we got another hit. I got the game, I'm going through some pain. I got the game, I'm going through some pain. Alright, so basically, we just got done tumming in the hotel.
For sure.
We're going bowling.
Yeah, we're going more.
Yeah, we're going bowling and we're gonna get some food and then
What
we're
did
gonna,
I just see?
and we're gonna come back and we hit the studio and yeah, that's like the rest of the night. So
I feel like a bowling alley would be a cool place to shoot something.
no, yeah, like a love music video or something. Yeah.
What's your step, sir?
Thanks, sir.
Hey, sir. Hey, sir.
Thanks, sir. Gotta find a ball, find a ball, find a ball. Oh yeah. That's fruity. I really just can't find a ball, I guess. Yeah. Did you want your name to be Big T?
No.
Oh. I'm scared to flip it upside down.
Yeah, that's what I did yesterday. You know what happened.
Get the alley in the field.
Got it.
Oh, you did.
Big C. Where are we going after this?
Super buffet, Chinese.
I'm trying to slap some food. Like big slap.